In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Keurig discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Keurig discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 7% discount of your order, all you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code that you can copy from right here. And you can use this one on your next order so that you can get a 7% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, we also have a list of different types of promo codes that we can use as well to get some discounts. So I'm just going for waiting for the page to load up right here so that we can see the promo codes. So this is right here, the list with the promo codes. For example, let's say right here, if you want to get this $4 discount, all you need to do is just simply tap right here to copy code, and the promo code will show up right here. Also, I'm waiting for the page to load up a little bit uh, right now. So this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy this promo code, and you can use it in order to get that $4 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.